Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be talking about Apple and why I think Apple will surge this summer, and why I'll be buying Leaps. But not only that, I'll be getting them 50% of my account on the small account, which is the public account on Discord. Now I'll be giving you guys 3 simple reasons. One, the technicals. Second, the catalyst of the 120 Hertz for the new iPhone, and then third, the year-to-date return. So starting off with the year-to-date return, we're down around 5% this year, and we already are 6 months into the year. If you look at the annual return for Apple, we're talking about 50%, -5%, 88%, 82%, and as of May 24th, it is down 10%. So that is the year-to-date return. And keep in mind that we are having the Apple event and possibly the 120 Hertz on for that. And if you guys don't know what the 120 Hertz is, here is an example that I found on the internet. So this will be a big game changer, and this will be very it'll be easier to advertise the new iPhone, and it's actual a big change. I mean, we're talking about 5G, which was not that big in my opinion, but this will be a massive change for the new iPhone. And this is the latest news, May 29th. Samsung will be making the new displays for Apple, and this will be very, very big for the new iPhone. And then the next thing we actually have is we actually have the technicals. If you look at the technicals, it's forming a very nice ascending triangle, and I'll be posting a video on the ascending triangle later on, but it is getting very tight. I mean, let's look at like Facebook. Okay, so we already saw FB breaking out of its triangle. Let's look at Microsoft. It already broke out. I mean, it's still running off of the news. And then let's look at Amazon, which is still stuck and sitting on this channel. So we're only waiting on Apple and Amazon. But Apple, this setup is just so amazing. I mean, look at that ascending triangle. As I said, I'll be making a video later on. And the price target is around 145 by August, and this is the contract that I am looking at for the small account. I need at least 3 months of time, 3 months to 3 years. 3 months is probably a swing. You can also grab a leap on this. Leaps are amazing, but for the small account, this is what I'm looking at, to throw 50% of my account on Apple. And our price target is 145, so I'm only looking at like a 200% return on a leap. So very simple reasonings why I think Apple stock will surge. Let me know in the comments. This was a very simple video on why I think, and I will also be getting a swing for Apple. And thank you for watching.